Alright everybody, first I want to thank Stella Concepts for plugging me on his video. I got a lot of subscriptions from that, and if those of you who aren't already subscribed to him, I'll try and put a link up right there to his website, to his channel. And he also has a website about silver leasing. I'll put that up there also. What silver's doing today, not to panic. This is how silver rolls. It goes up over time and then it just crashes through. That's just the way it goes. That's why I trade the SLV. I also have obviously physical for the long term, but in the short term I can make a lot of money trading the SLV, so I choose to do that because I was out at $13.75 and I've saved a whole dollar, so I had 500 shares. That's $500 savings, and saving $500 is the same as making $500 on the way up. So when you're out of a stock that's falling, you're adding that money to your account. It's just as valuable. So saving money is just as important as making money. That's why I use the system. Take yourself out of it, use the system. That's the system I try and teach on this channel. So anyway, I'm not really sure how to put slides up here yet, so I'm going to take this thing and I'm going to put it over here. I'll show you a chart of the Dow. This is a chart of the Dow right here, and you can see we visited the 8,000 level, which is about right here. This is 8,000, and we've come down to 8,000 too many times. Since there's no such thing as a triple bottom, in other words, bottom, 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 and then a move up, it had to move down from here, and now 8,000 will become resistance. So I expected the market to have a bounce up right now, but interesting how it isn't. Although, you know, CNBC will tell you, oh, this is a great buying opportunity. Oh, there's all kinds of bargains. Oh, where are you putting your money? Oh, I think you should stay in the money. Oh, this is why everything's turning around. Oh, the housing market's coming. Oh, yeah, this is what. I mean, they'll talk you into staying in the market until you're broke, just so you keep watching their channel. It's all about ratings for them. They don't know what they're talking about. None of them do. Even the so-called professional traders on there are no better than you or me. I followed their advice for a long time, and they don't really teach you anything. So follow the system. I believe in charts 100%. A chart represents human emotion. Human emotion decides what the price of anything is at any one time, and human emotions, like anything else, follow patterns, and you can learn to recognize those patterns over time, and you can make money. It's as simple as that. So let me see. Let me put a chart of the silver up here. So I'm going to show you this. Let's see. Okay, down around right here, you saw silver come up to 1150. It came up and touched 1150 again. Since there's no such thing as a triple top, I knew if it touched 1150 again, it would have to go higher, and here it is. It went through 1150 on pretty good volume, real good volume. After a breakout above resistance, you look for the fourth day. Right around the fourth day to have a confirmation rally, and we did, with good volume. So we knew it was going to go higher from here, and it rode that 5-day moving average. Now, when you have resistance like this and it breaks through it, usually it's going to want to come down and retest that 1150 to see if people repurchase it at that point, solidifying that 1150 will now be support. And I hope it does that. And judging from what this chart is doing, it looks like it might. It already fell through the 20-day moving average. It's down below the 5, the 200, and the 20. This is the 50. 1150 would be just a little bit below that down here. So at the Bollinger Band. So I expect it to find support at the Bollinger Band here. Hopefully, because that'll be after the buy signal that comes after that will be a very strong buy signal. If we got a buy signal right now, it'd be a good buy signal, but it wouldn't be as strong as if it retested this support level. So I was out at 1375, which is about right up here on this day. This day got me out. Every time you see silver go up and have one of these days, it's going lower. Period. It doesn't behave like a regular stock. So, and interestingly enough, look at the miners. Finding support here, coming down, finding support again. It's higher today. This is the GDX. Let's see. Try GFI. This is the GFI. It came down, found support. It's coming down. It looks like it was finding support. It was up. It's still up a penny. I don't really trade the GFI. I do trade. My favorite gold stock is the AUY. right here, and it looks like it's finding support down here. Looks like it's finding support again, and if it closes above this 20-day moving average, I'm going to buy a little bit of it. And let's see with the volume. Volume isn't that great, low volume, so it's not a real strong buy signal, but it does look like it's going to find support here, somewhere around here, or even down here at the Bollinger Band down here. So look for, if it comes down to this level, definitely would be start to reaccumulate. And that's about it for the charts. I'm going to learn how to put the slides up here into the video. I haven't really figured that out yet, so I can just put the slides up there and explain what's going on. But that's what we're doing now. Right now we're out of SLV, and we're waiting for it to come down. And it feels good when you're out of something that's moving down, because you know you're not losing money. You sleep a lot better. And notice that, yeah, I already talked about the gold stocks being, the minor stocks being higher. So that should be about it. If it falls below 12, we want to go long the ZSL. I didn't show that to you here, but the ZSL is double short silver. It's always safer to be long something that makes it short. It's an inverse fund than to actually be short, because when you're short something, it can go to the moon and you'll lose everything. Whereas if you're long something that is really short, the SLV, it can only go to zero, so it's a much safer bet. So I'm glad I found that. So that's about it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I hope you get some out of it. Check out my other videos. I got one on time and money, on how the economy is in trouble, and price versus value. I have a little, sometimes I go off the subject, not really off the subject, but off just the trading. Because technical trading is kind of boring until you're making money. Then it's fun. But so check out the other videos like that, and kind of get up to speed as to what I'm doing. And that should be it. Thanks again. I hope you get something out of it. And tomorrow's another trading day, so I hope silver goes down again tomorrow. Sorry to say that, but it's actually going to be a very good buy signal. If it goes down, you can buy it cheaper. It'd be very good if it goes down to 1150. So stay tuned, and I'll talk to you then. Thanks.